simple guitar lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Stuck in a Dream by Lil Mosey. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. This is obviously the simplified version of the song. I'm just using power chords just to get the idea so you can play along to it. First power chord is going to be 6, 8, 8. Right? Pointer on 6, ring on 8, pinky on 8 with the first 3 strings. Second power chord will be 2, 4, 4. Pointer on 2. And the third power chord will be 4, 6, 6. And then when I play power chords, I'm just making sure I sort of mute all these other ones. Just playing these first 3. Strumming pattern. Strumming pattern will just be down, down, up,